The cow eats grass. Horse. The horse lives in the field. Pig. The pig eats all kinds of food. Chicken. The hen lays eggs. Sheep. The sheep's skin is covered in wool. Pigeon. The pigeon flies very fast. Rooster. Peacock. Chick. Duckling.